Please secure your pin. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Bunso.
Ate, malapit na pa exam namin. Pwede pa ba makahingi ng pambayad tuition?
Tuition? Sige, ako na bahala dyan. Pwede ko ibigay ko sa iyo yung pera.
Ate? Ate?
Hello, ma'am. Patay na po yung ate niyo.
Patay na si ate? Ano gagawin ko ngayon? Wala akong pera pambayad sa tuition. Paano na to ngayon? Lahat ng pinag-a-applyan ko, hindi man lang ako tinanggap. Pinambayad ko pa yung pang tuition ko sa pampalibing kay ate.
Hey, miss, you look like you need help.
Yes, ma'am.
I can offer you a job to pay for your tuition.
Paano, ma'am?
All you need to do is accompany men.
Kano, ma'am?
It's only 5,000 pesos.
Sige, ma'am.
Let's go. You need to stay here, ma'am. Sir.
Oh, what?
Sir, I can offer you a girl. It's only 5,000 pesos. She's beautiful, very demure, and gorgeous.
Yes, where?
Let's go.
You look so pretty.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's go in.
Before we start our exam, did you secure your permit?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, una muna ako. Sige.
Hello baby, can you come here? I need you right now.
Coming, baby. Guys, nandito yung bayaran ng prostitute. Tama na, please. What's happening here? Come to my guidance office, now!
Ano na sa'yo eh? Kisali ka din naman. Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Anong nangyari kanina? Nabalitaan kong binubuli niyo daw si Miss Dangka. Totoo ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me why did you bully her?
Totoo naman, ma'am, nabayaran ng babae niya.
It is true, Miss Dangka. What is the reason?
Because of the financial problem, ma'am. Tapos namatay po yung parents like ate ko.
See? You don't have the right to bully her because you don't know what is her situation. Apologize kayo.
Sorry na, ma'am.
Next time, don't judge the book by its cover kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga kaklase nyo, okay?
Yes, ma'am.